Today's our topic is sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense is called sentence. Those group of words giving us full meaning of anything. So that's our sentence. See example, they play football. It's a statement. It's giving us a full meaning. So this is a sentence, a group of words which is giving us a full meaning. Okay. Now see, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. Always we have to start a sentence with capital letter, and it ends with a full stop, a question mark, and exclamation mark. The sentence will be end with a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. Now see parts of a sentence. How many parts of sentence? There are two parts of a sentence. First is subject and second predicate. Now see, what is a subject? A subject is a person or thing that is doing an action. In a sentence, a word which is doing something, a person which is doing something, which is doing an action, that's a subject. Now see predicate. A predicate is the part of a sentence that tell what the subject is doing. Remaining part of sentence, those is telling, which is telling us that what the subject is doing exactly in the sentence. So that is a predicate. Now see example, Ram is making noise. So here Ram is doing an action. Ram is making a noise. So Ram is subject, and this remaining part is predicate because it's telling us that what is Ram doing, what is subject doing. So this is predicate. Now see types of sentence. How many types of sentence? There are four types of sentence. Assertive sentence, second is interrogative sentence, third is exclamatory sentence, and fourth is imperative sentence. See first assertive sentence. It declares something. This sentence are simple statement. Which sentence is declaring something? This is telling us something about someone. So there's our assertive sentence, and it is also called a declarative sentence. Okay, now see example, Rita is a student. This is declaring, this is telling something about Rita, that Rita is a student. So this is assertive sentence. Now see, assertive sentence can be either positive or negative. It can be in positive form or in negative form. See another example, same does not eat apple. So where we put not or no type of words, so that will be negative sentence. Now see second, interrogative sentence. It asks a question. It always ends with a question mark. Those sentence ask question or ask something. That's our interrogative sentence. See example, where is your house? So this sentence is asking question, that where is your house? So this is interrogative question, and it's ending with a question mark. Okay. This sentence always starts with the WH word or a helping verb. This interrogative sentence can be start with the WH word or maybe with a helping verb. Now see exclamatory sentence. When a sentence expresses a sudden and strong feeling of happiness, sorrow, fear, or surprise, it is called an exclamatory sentence. When you have a sudden or a strong feeling of happiness, सोरो दुख, फियर डर या सरप्राइज, जब आप किसी को देख के आश्चर्यचकित हो जाते हो, उसकी आपको सडन या स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग आती है, तो वो एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस होते हैं. सी इट एंड्स विद एन एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. इन एंड ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस देयर ऑलवेज वी हैव टू पुट अ एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. ओके, सी एग्जाम्पल, वाओ आई रियली लाइक दिस पेन. अनदर एग्जाम्पल, व्हाट अ क्यूट पपी. And it's ending with a exclamation mark.